Blackjack Frame Machines fixing another Nissan 240SX. We've actually done some videos with this one before, and as soon as she got back on the street, somebody hit her again. Putting a rear body panel in it and pulling out the floor right now. We've got 4 individual pulls, 4 individual pumps, 1 airline. And we're going to start working this floor out, getting her ready. What we're doing here is by using all these pulls, instead of having to move each time and move a little bit, we're spreading the load and making sure that we're not tearing the already pretty fragile and not known for being industrial Nissan floor pan. That's a real good start. Things are starting to pull at a little bit of an angle I don't like here, so we'll do a little bit of resetting. But considering this is the first pulls we've made on this car besides cutting the body panel off, I'd say we're off to a good start.